Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the trendy stone look. This is my version of a blue calcite. It is known to calm and relax you, and we definitely need that in this time. So please stay tuned to see how I created it.
It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that
As usual, I'm going to be using my Light Elegance number 12 acrylic brush. Today I'm also going to be using Young Nails Liquid Art in blue. Here I'm showing you on the left, is regular monomer, and here on the right is monomer with 1.5 drops of the liquid art. They have this in the primary color, so you can grab it in blue, red, or yellow so you can create your own shade, but this is going to help tint the monomer so I can get that bluish look. I'm also going to be using Young Nails Gold Leaf. Don't worry, everything will be listed in the description below. We're gonna hop right into it. I am going to use a clear base for the tip of the nail.
everybody knows fire on the floor, sticking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me.
I'm going to use the tinted monomer and dip it with Frosted Pink from Young Nails and add that to the nail bed. Then I'm grabbing a light blue and a mixture of clear to dilute it and make it look marbleized. I'm going to grab different shades, and I apologize, I just realized that I did not get a clip of the different colors of acrylic that I use, so I will do my best to list down below. Now I'm going to grab Super White from Young Nails, and I'm going to draw a line. And you can place this wherever you want. That line is going to represent the veins in the stone. When you lay the line, you want to fan down the bottom part of that line to make it fade a little bit. Then you're going to go back in and out and debating on where you want to place different color beads in the marble area is what you're going to do. You kind of want it not to be super potent. What I mean is you don't want the line to be opaque. You want it to look like it's embedded and that there's different depths within the nail. So you're going to take that tinted monomer with clear and go over the whole entire nail. That makes it dilute and it looks foggy, but when you put top coat on it, it's going to come out amazing. When you are satisfied with the nail, go ahead and put a wet bead of clear acrylic and then add your pieces of gold where you want it. Keep in mind that you want to work fairly thin when you're marbling and doing the stone work, because you're going to go in and end cap everything in a clear acrylic.
So right, it feels so right, it feels so right. Didn't know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know. Somehow you're my enemy.
When you're doing a design that you're inspired by a raw natural substance, such as today I'm doing the blue calcite, keep in mind that when you look at the stone, every angle that you look at it, something is different. It is not the exact same. So, and that's what I'm trying to incorporate with these nails. Every nail has a different look. They're going to be cohesive, but every nail is not the same. The lines I'm not placing exactly the same. On this finger, I'm not going all the way to the tip with the blue. So keep that in mind. Be creative.
Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more, origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. 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 Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest, heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words 'cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
And this is the final look. They came out super good. I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. We all need a break from reality right now. I hope everybody is staying safe, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Please, if you recreate this, tag me. I would love to see it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!